Hi guys, hi. It's our love, it's our respect. What we do is chill. But today I want to come down to, I want to show you what I'm eating. Yeah, you see that? That's what I'm eating today. Oof, a couple layers of injera. Injera lo is no. I'm very happy about this. Like, I don't know why, but I'm happy. እርቦኛል በቃ በስማ ማበላል ላሳያችሁ ኧረ ይቅርባችሁ ትጎመጃላችሁ በስማ by the way guys follow and subscribe አድርጉኝ please follow and subscribe J Money in the house, you feel me? But yeah, that's injera, feel me? በቀይ ወጥ ስጋ ወጥ it's called injera and that's a vape